right, we are going to record a really quick video here to show you how to work the problems that are right here on order of operations. Just going to go over the two worksheets with you kind of quickly. Remember that you have on the actual assignment, you have, where is it at? Order of operations 1 right here. You have an image that you can access on your screen that tells you to remember parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. Just remember, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. So we'll be taking a look back at that whenever we need to. Let's see. Yes. Make sure we are presenting. Okay, here we go. So we are going to please excuse my dear Aunt Sally and work through some of these. You can work it out in the boxes down here if you want to, and all you have to put in this box up here is your answer. All right. So first you're going to ask yourself, are there any parentheses, right? Because the first thing is parentheses. No parentheses in there. And then we have exponents. So we're going to go back because we know there's an exponent right here. This means 6 to the second power. That does not mean 6 times 2. That means 6 multiplied by itself 2 times, or 6 times 6. All right, well, 6 times 6 gives us 36. 2 times 36 gives us 72. And we just skipped on to multiplication there because there was nothing else to do but multiply. All right, let's take a look at this one. Are there any parentheses? Well, no. Are there any exponents? No. So do we have something to multiply? Yes. 2 times 4. 2 times 4 is 8. There's nothing else to multiply or divide, so we're going to add 8 plus 9 and get our 17. All right, let's look at a couple more. There are no parentheses. There are no exponents, but we do have something to multiply. We have 3 times 8, and then 3 times 8 gives us 24, and we have 2 to add to it because adding is next, so it would be 26. Right here, look at this one. We do have parentheses. 8 minus 6 gives us 2 inside there. And then we have 2 times 2, and that would give us 4. Let's go ahead and work a couple more of these. There are no parentheses here, but there is an exponent. 3 to the second power is the same as 3 times 3, so that would be 9. And 10 minus 9 would leave us with 1. Pay attention to these on here and make sure that you are minding your parentheses first, then any exponents that you see. And remember that this one right here means 3 multiplied by itself 3 times. 3 times 3 times 3. So be careful with that one. All right, I'm going to go ahead and include order of operations 2 on this one because it is the same as what you just saw. You're just going to be working some more problems like that. Looking at the first one right here, there are no parentheses, but we did have an exponent right here. So we had 3 times 3 times 3 because we had to multiply 3 times 3 times 3. 3 times itself 3 times. 3 times 3 is 9 times 3 is 27. So we bring down our 10 minus, and then it's 27 divided by 9. 9 will go into 27 3 times, and 10 minus 3 will leave us with 7. So you remember your parentheses, then your exponents. The only reason I put parentheses here was to remind you that you're multiplying this out. All right, number 2. There are parentheses here. We have 4 plus 3, and that would give us 7. And then we have an exponent. We have 7 times 7. So 7 times 7 gives us 49. And then we divide that by 7. 49 divided by 7 is 7. Pay attention to this one this one has an exponent inside the parentheses. So you're still going to work the parentheses first, but inside it you've got to take care of the exponent. 2 to the second power is the same as 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 6 plus 4 is 10, and 10 times 10 is 100. This one right here, be very careful with because you do have parentheses, and 9 minus 5 gives you 4. Then you have to square that or to raise it to the second power. So that would be 4 times 4. And 4 times 4 is 16. And when you divide 16 by 4, you get 4. All right, I'm going to stop the video on this one because I think you guys have already done this, but those of you who are virtual learners need to go back and take a look at those things that you did and do them again if you need to, or if you have not done them, do them for the first time. But I'm going to stop recording and fix this video.